Okay. Oh, excuse me. It's very early in the morning. But I was determined to at least get through a couple pairs and have a decent amount already cut, so that when I sit down again at the sewing machine, I can go ahead and rock those out. I end up finding 2 of my patterns, and I still didn't cut one of them, which is the initial one I showed, and we'll show it in a second. Hold on, I'm trying to get stuff situated because I got it all kind of. All right, so y'all, I wanted to make sure that I made it through a decent amount, or at least a few of these underwears that I decided to make for myself. The only reason why I literally stopped as of right now is because my bobbin emptied out, and because of that, it means it's time to stop. Plus, I'm still very tired. But I want to tell you what I actually got all cut out, because I didn't film everything that I cut. I still have a few things I need to adjust on. So here's one pair, and this will be a mesh pair in this turquoisey blue. I cut one with, it's going to have a red front, red crotch, and then it's going to be a mesh back, dot mesh back. That's that one. I cut the back for this pair. The other part of it is over there on the machine, because I got a piece, the front piece. I have to piece the front piece. Sounds crazy, but I have to piece the front piece together because I didn't have as much of this, and I may actually end up putting a little bit of gray mesh on the sides. I haven't totally decided. It just depends on how it pans out. So that's over there on the machine, or by the machine. So I had, let me finish showing you what I got, because I'm going to stack them together. So I have other pieces that I cut of this particular style, and I'll show you what style it is in a second. Side panel pieces in a couple different prints. This is a mesh, so I'll probably find a solid that I can do for the front and the side and the back piece. Then I have this piece, which I'll find some other black lace or something like that, or a mesh or cream or whatever, because I'm trying to use remnants up instead of throwing remnants away. I have this goes with this over here, the crouch piece. I have an extra crotch.